Flavor Station.
Right, you're gonna need a nice clean chopping board, a spud, an egg, a spuddy buddy, spuddy buddy, my G. Now you're gonna need a grater, boom. Peel your spud, just get rid of any eyes, any dark bits, you don't want them thing there in there. Bowl, sieve, grater. Now we're gonna grate using the small one, that'll make it nice and fluffy and nice, not the big one, it won't cut through blood. Just grate that down. Having a great time, my brethren. Right, now you've done that, you want to sieve through, just pick out any big bits. See that there's something? You know what, that in there. Yeah, boy. Another big bit. Nasty, you see. You don't want to chomp down on one of them, blood. Trust me, daddy. Now what you want to do, just squash down, get rid of any excess moisture. By excess moisture, I mean just water, potatoes, especially Irish potatoes, white potatoes, another big bit. See it there? Be vigilant, blood. Pick off any bits, don't waste none, waste not, want not. Now look at how much water's come out of that spud. Looks nasty too, look at it. Mad thing. Yeah, boy. What you want to do, just wipe out, yeah. We're having a great time, we're keeping clean. Now, egg, crack, whisk, liquidize. It's literally 3 ingredients. This is why people love Mackey's and McDonald's and KFC. Consistency, blood. Once you get that egg nice and creamy, see it there? Yeah, baby. Bang your potato in there. Yeah, man, look, looks like crab meat. Yeah, boy, nice and dry. Then all we're gonna do, egg in there, a bit at a time. Don't put the whole thing in, she'll end up with a soggy mess and you don't want that. This will just bind the potato. Make it, when you fry it, it all stick together and firm up, but still be fluffy. You want it like a creamy-ish consistency because the egg is gonna cook in the pan. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I know it's a big ask. Hit the like button. Comment below what you'd like to see next. You know, got loads of videos on the channel now. We're smashing it. Now, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. Doesn't have to be pink, but we're just gonna mold these now into hash brown shapes, isn't it? You know what McDonald's hash brown shapes is, blood? Yeah, boy. Just pat that round. Not too tough, because the salt breaks down, you see. It starts breaking down the egg and they look like hash browns to me. Yes, about ½ inch of oil. Get it hot. Get it nice and hot. Then as gently as you can, just slide that in there. Be very careful not to burn up your skin. Yeah, boy. Now what you can do now in the pan, same way, is just shape it. Keep shaping it and cook it gentle. Don't fast with it. Don't flip it yet. But you can check it in about 2 minutes time. Yeah, man. Come behind that with its little baby brother. You don't know the steez. Shape up that one. Yeah, man. Flavor Station. Entertaining and cooking for the nation. Well, the world. Hold tight, all the Americans, Canadians. Look at that. Everyone watching it. See how it starts to crisp up around the outside? You can check it now. Flip it. Is she ready? She's ready, baby. Hey, flipper. No messing, look. Just be gentle with her. Trust me, you got to make sure that potato's cooked all the way through. Yeah, man. See it there? Loving it. Da-da-ba-ba-ba. Let's not get copyrighted for that little ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Now that one, see the egg? Look at that. Flipper. Both flipped. Oh, yeah. Look at her. Absolutely smashing it, mate. Don't mind me. Got hands of steel, mate. Superpowers. Never seen me and Superman in the same room, have ya? Yeah, man, they're about done. Get yourself some roll. Just remove a lot of that fat. Just pat them down. And there we have it, fama. McDonald's hash browns. At home. Fresh, tasty, a lot healthier, no MSG. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Love you lot. Bye.
Flavor Station.